Okay, so we have a chemistry question that says draw the electronic structure for calcium chloride. You must understand that electronic structure, these are structures showing the number of electron distribution in their shells. When we talk about calcium chloride, this falls under what you call ionic bonding, which involves the transferring of electrons. Now, metals, they transfer electrons. Non-metals, they receive electrons. So if you want to draw or to answer this question, the first step is you need to draw the chemical formula. So calcium has this symbol here and is found in group 2, meaning there's a valency of 2. Now, chloride simply means chlorine. Chlorine has this formula. Now, chlorine is found in group 7, meaning there's a valency of 1. So this one will come here, these two will come there. So meaning that the chemical formula will be like this. So this is the chemical formula there. Now, based on the setting of the electrons in their shells, they follow this number. They follow these numbers here, you see. Now, if you check, calcium on the periodic table has an atomic number of what? Of 20 there. So we're supposed to break down this 20 into this format, meaning it will be 2, 8, 8, 2, such that when we add 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2 is supposed to get 20. Now chlorine there on the periodic table has an atomic number of what? 17. So if we break down this 17 following this number, it will be 2, 8, what? 7. Now remember what I said at first. These metals, they lose electrons. Now if you check on the formula, that this formula, it is telling us to say you're supposed to draw two structures for what? For chlorine. So let me start now for chlorine. So you start with the one for chlorine like this. So how many shells are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now remember that it has gained how many electrons? How many electrons has this one been gained here? Because if you add here, supposed to get what? 17. So this simply means that only each supposed to gain a what? A 2. Okay, because of this one. So this is for one atom. Now as you can see, so this one supposed to gain what? 2. So what you do, you draw it like this. So they're supposed to be 3. So you draw it like this, like this, like this, like this. So this is for chlorine. Now here, these two you have seen supposed to be shared by 2 atoms of chlorine. So meaning that one atom, one electron supposed to come to this one, the other electron to the other atom. So here now it will be like this. So you draw these two, you put across. So you have 8, you put like this, and then even there you put like this. So here there is what? There is 7 plus 1, because there is 2. So we're supposed to share them. So that 1 will come here. So it becomes what? 8. Remember, the maximum number of each shell is supposed to be 8. As you can see, this is 2, 8. So this 8. So we only add 1 so that we get 8. So that here we put again like this, like this. Now, as you can see, it was 7. Now, plus 1 from these 2. So we can put a dot there. So you put like this. Now remember, non-metals, they gain electrons, so you put a negative. Now the next step, you draw the one for calcium. So you, for one for calcium, how many shells? 1, 2, 3. So it's supposed to be 3 like this. Supposed to be 3 for calcium. So you put to my dot like this, like this, like this. So these two shells, 8. It is here again, another 8 there, like this, like this. I hope you are following, like this. So now here you put what? 2 plus. Now again we draw the last one, because here they're saying 2 atoms for chlorine and already we have only drawn 1, meaning you're supposed to draw another one again. Okay, so again you do like this. So the electronic structure for chlorine, it is this one. So how many shells? 3 shells, like this. So 3 shells, you put chlorine. So you put the crosses there like this, the cross there like this, like this, like this, like this. 7. So as you can see, 2, it is this one, 8, it is this one, so 7, it is this one, plus the one it has gained from 2. So you put a dot like this. Now outside here you put a negative, simply means that's only gained what? It has only gained 1. So this here is the answer.